Alright, here is the two Gibson air conditioners at my cabin in the woods. We're in the mountains, North Carolina trip. There they are. I'm going to be getting a startup of them. Next video will be a startup of them. But, yeah, I just got to crawl up here. Ooh, very nice. We rented a cabin in the woods. I'm with my friends now, so. That one's buzzing. Let's see, is it disconnected? Shouldn't be buzzing. Okay. So yeah, they both have Bristol reciprocating compressors. The thermostat for this one is a White Roger. It's from 2000. Let's see. So these are both heat pumps. R22, of course. Well, yeah, R22. 70 ounces of R22. It's a Nordine split system heat pump for outdoor use. Okay. Yeah, but it needs a good ass cleaning. And they're in the shade, so this is a really nice Gibson logo. But yeah, this is two. And this is the same thing, but just a different design. Like, let's see, this is a split system heat pump too. It's got R22. And yeah. And it says it can be replaced with our 407C. Copeland. That's also got a Copeland. Yeah, about to do startup of these. And it's got a GE fan motor. Let's see what this one's got. Also got a GE fan motor. Okay. Nice. Well, now for the startup.